yes, I'd like to order a large pizza.
No anchovies.
With extra anchovies?
It's okay, I'll just pick them off.
Yeah, and could you please chop some up and just put it right there in the sauce?
What's your name?
Phoebe Buffet.
How do you spell that so we can get it right?
Oh, okay. It's P as in Phoebe, H as in Hebe, O as in Obie, E as in Eb, B as in BB, and E as in hello there, mate.
Joey, do they know that we know?
No.
Joey?
They know you know.
Oh, I knew it! Oh, I cannot believe those two.
They thought that they could mess with us. They're trying to mess with us. They don't know that we know they know we know. And Joey, you can't say anything.
Couldn't if I wanted to.
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny that when a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get sprung. Wanna pull up tough cause you notice that butt was stuffed deep in the jeans she's wearing. I'm hooked and I can't stop staring. Oh.
Hey. Hey, Phoebes. Oh, not anymore. I changed it today.
Oh, I'm sorry. Mrs. Hannigan?
Wrong again. Apparently, you can change it to anything you want. So I thought, all right, here's an opportunity to be creative. So meet Princess Consuela Banana Hammock.
That's what we were gonna name the baby.
Hey, Rach. How you doing?
I'm doing good, baby. How you doing?
Ross, don't let her drink anymore.
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things.
Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat.